Personalizing constant contact emails is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Use merge tags to insert contact details like first name, last name, or custom fields. Divide your audience into segments based on demographics or behavior for targeted messaging. Customize email content using dynamic content blocks for different segments. Craft subject lines with personalization tokens like first name for better engagement. Set up automated emails triggered by specific actions, tailoring content accordingly. Experiment with different personalization strategies and content variations. Incorporate personal stories or testimonials to add authenticity. Tailor offers or recommendations based on recipient preferences or past interactions. Include polls, surveys, or quizzes for engagement and data gathering. Track email performance metrics to assess the effectiveness of personalization efforts.